Let's talk about Earned Wage Access, or EWA. Sounds like something your accountant at a party whispers, right? But no, EWA lets people tap into money they've already earned before payday. Today we'll be talking about Employer Integrated EWA, which is when employers use fintech to help employees take an advance on their pay before payday. By integrating with the employer, EWA can be a tool that helps employees take their first step toward financial wellness, all by helping employees control more of their pay. Okay, that's a lot right there. Let's break it down so you can explain it to anyone. By the end of this video, you'll know what it is, what it isn't, and how regulators, well, regulate. For years, EWA helped workers get through their days, but too often it felt like access without financial progress. The way some EWA providers would work held employees in unproductive paycheck-to-paycheck cycles, paying high fees and not building savings. And for employers, there can be inherent compliance risks. More on that in a minute. Modern employer-integrated EWA, on the other hand, can change that. Done right, it can be one piece of a wellness suite that helps employees go from just getting by to becoming savers, builders, and growers. Here's how modern EWA can work. The EWA provider connects with employers to receive payroll and time tracking information. As people work, the EWA provider anticipates what employees will earn. Employees can then access their future earnings right in their bank account, instantly at no cost. And when payday arrives, employees repay right from their bank account. No extra work for payroll, no extra work for HR. Recently, HR departments have seen EWA go from a niche perk to a must-have benefit. Let's break down how EWA regulation is evolving and what it means for employers. State legislatures are introducing and passing EWA bills, but not all look the same. 3 states have passed EWA bills that treat EWA as credit under state law. 8 states have passed EWA that do not treat EWA as credit. And 2 states have passed EWA bills containing a cap on the fees providers can charge consumers. Not all EWA providers are created equal. The way repayment is handled can make a big difference for compliance, for payroll, and for your employees. Let's start with the first one, the deduction model. This is where advances are repaid to the provider by the employer through payroll deductions on the next payday. Another one is the payroll intercept model, where the entire paycheck is routed through the provider before reaching the employee. The provider deducts what is owed before depositing the remainder of the paycheck into an account of the employee's choosing. Finally, the settlement model, like the one that Chime Workplace uses, keeps payroll untouched. Employers pay 100% of the wages directly into the employee's account, while EWA repayment happens seamlessly from the account itself. That means no payroll disruption and no extra compliance burden on your HR or payroll teams. Now, there's no denying that EWA is powerful for emergencies or paying unexpected bills on time. However, when it's paired with savings, credit building, and goal tracking, it can become an effective tool for employee engagement and retention. That's when employees stop living just for today and start making real financial progress. So let's recap. We've talked about how EWA should be free for workers, built to be compliant, and part of a financial wellness solution. With Chime Workplace, you get these and more. It's a modern EWA solution, and it's a great way to help employees build a stronger financial future. Head to chimeworkplace.com and see how simple making financial progress can be.